Hi everyone, welcome to the quick comparison between the Miyoo Mini V4 and the Miyoo Mini Plus. So if you are trying to decide which handheld console is better for you, then keep watching this video. Now both the Miyoo Mini V4 and the Miyoo Mini Plus are retro gaming console that are small, portable and perfect for playing classic games. But there are some key differences between them that might make one better suited to your needs. Now the first big difference is the size. So the Miyoo Mini Plus is slightly larger than the V4. This means a bigger screen on the Plus, which is great if you want a larger display for your games. However, the V4 is more compact, making it easier to carry around. Now, when it comes to battery life, the Miyoo Mini Plus has a slight edge. It has a larger battery, so you can expect longer play time before needing to recharge. Now, performance wise, both of the devices are pretty similar. They can handle the same range of retro games and both run them smoothly. So, in terms of performance, you won't notice much difference. Now both the console supports the same type of games and comes with similar storage options, so you can easily and add more games using a micro SD card on both devices. Now price is another factor. So the Miyoo Mini V4 is usually a bit cheaper than the Plus. So if you are on a budget, the V4 might be a better option. So in the end, we want to know which one is better. So if you want a larger screen and the longer battery, you can go for Miyoo Mini Plus. But if you prefer something more compact and affordable, the Miyoo Mini V4 is a great choice. Either way, both are excellent devices for enjoying your favorite retro games. So thank you so much for watching. Happy gaming.